Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif, teaching IIT JEE Mains and Advanced Math from past 16 years. Taught math in India as well as abroad. Currently working as head of the maths department and vice principal of Giraffe Learning. Before I start guys, please do subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notifications of all my classes. And below the description box there is a link there. You can use that link to attend my special classes, that is free classes and plus classes on Unacademy platform. Alright, which I do all the PYQs and the entire 11th and 12th course in detail. So before I start guys, let me tell you the Unacademy Plus subscription. Okay, these are the best plans for KCET 2021 aspirants. In fact, for 2022 as well, which covers both 11th and 12th, which covers both first PU and second PUC syllabus related to your KCET Common Inter Karnataka and Comet K. For 12 months, it will cost you 12375, that is 1031 per month. Enter this referral code, you get 10% off. 6 months, it's 10125, that is 1688 per month. Enter this referral code, you get 10% off, and per month 2250. Alright, below the description box, there is a link there, guys. You can use that link to take the subscription as well, because most students will be chatting here how to take the subscription. With this subscription, you get premium content at affordable price. Structured live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPPs, that is daily practice paper full length mock with analysis. You get all this under single subscription. There is single subscription unlimited access. This is Mestro's batch for KCET 2021, trained by the best educators in the country. Alright, batch started on 15th. There is one more batch started this month on Jan 4th. Do enroll in that batch, guys. Okay, and so we have done this the session 2 of PYQs of application of integrals, guys. We have done up to question number 9 last class. Okay, let's move to the further questions. Question number 10. Okay, this is KCET 2020 question. Alright, area of the region bounded with the line y equal to 2x plus 1. X-axis are the ordinates x equal to minus 1 and x equal to plus 1. So first let me plot the graph. Okay, when this line y equal to 2x plus 1, let me write here, this line y equal to 2x plus 1, line y equal to 2x plus 1, if it cuts x-axis, okay, if it cuts x-axis, obviously y will be equal to 0. X-axis y will be equal to 0, so you will get this as 2x plus 1 equal to 0. That is, you get x is equal to minus half. Two x plus 1 is equal to 0 and I get x is equal to minus half. Okay, x is equal to minus half. Now let me plot the graph for this. So you get a line which will pass through minus half. Okay, and then is blocking this. Right, let me do it here, guys. So this will be equal to okay, so this is 0 and then you get this is minus half comma 0. Okay, minus half comma 0, this is y-axis. Now you get a line. Okay, and then this is x. And then this is x dash. Alright, now on the right side, okay, listen. This is minus half. You get a line which will pass through this line. This is minus half comma 0. Okay, now x is equal to 1. This is x is equal to 1. Okay, and then x is equal to minus 1. right? I'm supposed to find out this area. This is not symmetric. Okay, so this is x, this is y, and then this will be x dash, negative x axis, this is negative y axis, this is y dash, this is y dash. Okay, alright. Now, if I find the area, guys, it's not symmetric. So, what I'll do is write integration of required area is equal to integration of minus 1 to minus half. Okay, minus 1 to minus half, and then you get 2x plus 1. Line is 2x plus 1 and then dx. Okay, and then integration of minus half to plus 1. Okay, minus half to plus 1, and then you get 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, and we have done in the previous class as well. Area above the x-axis will be positive, area below the x-axis will be negative. That's why I should keep a mod here. Right, I'm going to keep a mod here because area below the x-axis will be negative. So this will be equal to mod. Whatever the value you get, take the modulus absolute value of that. Integration of 2x plus 1 will be equal to 2x plus 1 the whole square. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, coefficient of x is 2 divided by 2. Between the limits minus half to minus half, between the limits minus 1 to minus half, coefficient of x is 2 divided by 2. Okay, between the limits minus 1 to minus half, minus 1 to minus half, and then integration of x is x square by 2. Integration of x is x square by 2, coefficient of x is 2 divided by 2, between the limits minus half to 1. Okay, now I get 1 upon 4. I take this in a bracket, substitute upper limit minus lower limit. You will get this is 2 into minus half. 2 into minus half plus 1. Okay, this is whole square. This is upper limit minus the lower limit. Minus lower limit is minus 2 plus 1 the whole square. Okay, and then this is plus 1 by 4. Plus 1 upon 4. Take this in a bracket. Upper limit minus lower limit. 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is 3 square. Minus lower limit will be equal to 2 into minus half. 2 into minus half. And then plus 1. Okay, 2 into minus half plus 1 the whole square. Plus 1 and then this is whole square. Close the bracket. Anyways, this will cancel, even this will cancel, minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. So you get 1 upon 4. Okay, there is a mod here. Let us not forget this mod. As I told you, area below the x-axis will be negative. So, this is a mod here, 1 upon 4 into a bracket. This is 0 minus, okay, 1. Okay, this is a mod here. And then 1 upon 4, right? 3 square will be equal to 9 minus 0. So, modulus of minus 1 by 4 is plus 1 by 4. What will I get, guys? This mod of 1 upon 4, okay, plus 9 by 4. This is equal to 10 upon 4. 10 upon 4 is equal to 5 by 2. That is 5 by 2 square units. 2020 paper question. Okay, so don't forget to take that mod. Area below the x-axis will be negative. Answer 5 by 2 square units. That's the first option. Okay, let's move to the next question, guys. Area enclosed by y equal to x cube and y equal to root x. Again, 2004 question. Okay, now y equal to x cube is a cubic function. This is cubic function, no? If I want to plot the graph of y equal to x cube, you get a cubic function like this. You get a graph like this. Okay, and then y is equal to root x. Y equal to root x, you get a graph like this. This will be the root x function. Okay, so let me plot the graph for this. Okay, so this is cubic function. This is y. Okay, and then this is x. And then you get y equal to root x, you get a graph like this. This will be y equal to root x. Okay, and then this is y equal to x cube. Y equal to x cube, this is 1 comma 1. Okay, when you drop the perpendicular, this is 1 comma 0. This area I am supposed to find out. Right? Now area is equal to area is equal to integration of 0 to 1. 0 to 1, you get root x, right curve, that is root x minus, you cut a cubic function x cube and then dx, I get a shaded part. Because root 0 to 1, root x covers the maximum area. So take root and cut that upward x cube out, you get a required area. Okay, integration of, I can write this as 0 to 1 x to the power of half. And then minus integration 0 to 1 and then you get x cube dx. Okay, integration of x to the power of half is x to the power of 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 between the limits 0 to 1. Integration of x cube is x to the power of 4 divided by 4 between the limits 0 to 1. So it goes to numerator. Area is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, upper limit 1, lower limit is 0. Minus 1 upon 4. Okay, upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0. So this becomes 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. Right? Take LCM 12. Okay, cross multiply, you will get this as 8 minus 3. So you get this as 5 upon 12. 5 upon 12 square units. That's the answer is option C. This will be square units. Yes guys. This is 5 by 12 square units. Okay, question number 11. Let's move to the next question guys. Area of the region bounded by the ellipse 9x square. This will be 9x square plus 4y square. Okay, is equal to 36. Okay, I'm going to divide to 36. If I divide throughout by 36, so this becomes x square by 4. X square by 4 plus y square by 9. Okay, equal to 1. Now this is of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. If you compare, you will get a square is equal to 4. A square is equal to 4 and b square is equal to 9. So you get a equal to 2 and then b is equal to 3. A is 2, b is 3. Okay, and we know area of the ellipse. Okay, area of the ellipse will be equal to pi ab, right? That's the general result. Area of the ellipse will be equal to, okay, area of the ellipse is equal to pi ab. So this is equal to pi times, okay, a will be equal to 2, b will be equal to 3. So I get this as 6 pi. Right, answer will be equal to option D. Right, let's move to the next question guys. Question number 13. Area of the ellipse, area enclosed between the parabola y equal to x square minus x plus 2 and the line y equal to x plus 2. Okay, let us first solve them and find the point of intersection guys. Okay, now listen. Let's call equation 1. Okay, and let's call this equation 2. I'm going to solve equations 1 and 2. Okay, if I solve equations 1 and 2, I'll equate them. You will get this as x square minus x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2. Okay, cancel this 2. You will get x square minus 2x is equal to 0. You take x common, you get x minus 2 is equal to 0. From this I can write x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. Right, if I put x is equal to 0, you get y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2, you get y equal to 4. So point will be equal to 0, 2 and 2, 4. Okay, now let us, you take y equal to x square, okay, minus x plus 2. Let us plot the graph for this. Y is equal to x square, okay, minus x plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, just complete the squares, plus 2. So this will be equal to y equal to x minus half the whole square. Y minus half the whole square, and then if you cross multiply you get 7 upon 4. Okay, so you get y minus 7 by 4 is equal to x minus half the whole square. X minus half the whole square, this is same as x minus half the whole square. Okay, x minus half the whole square is equal to y minus 7 by 4 the whole square, 7 by 4. So this is of the form x minus s the whole square is equal to 4a, okay, into y minus k. So I get h comma k. Okay, I'm going to get h comma k is equal to h comma k is equal to half comma 7 by 4. Okay, so you get an upward parabola, guys. So you get an upward parabola. Okay, you get a parabola like this. Okay, and then point of intersection was 0 comma 2, 0 comma 2 and 2 comma 4. Okay, and this is the line y is equal to x plus 2. And this curve, this is y is equal to x plus 2, and this curve is y is equal to x square minus x plus 2. Okay, this area I am supposed to find out. If I equate them, x square minus x is equal to x plus 2. 2 and 2 cancels, x square minus 2x. Yes, 0 comma 2, and so if you drop the perpendicular, guys, if you drop the perpendicular, this is 0 comma 0 and this is 0, and if you drop the perpendicular here, if you drop the perpendicular, this is 2 comma 0. Okay, now let me plot the graph. So once I do this integration of 0 to 2, okay, 0 to 2, line covers the maximum area, line minus the parabola. So line will be equal to x plus 2 minus the curve will be equal to x square, curve is x square minus x plus 2, minus x plus 2, okay, close the bracket, and then this is dx. Now this area is equal to integration 0 to 2, okay, integral 0 to 2 x plus 2, if you open the bracket it is minus x square plus x minus 2, okay, and then dx. Let me cancel this 2, plus 2 minus 2 will get cancelled. So integral 0 to 2, 0 to 2 you get 2x minus x square dx. Okay, 2 is a constant, I will keep as it is. Now we will integrate. Integration of x is x square by 2 between the limits 0 to 2. And integration of x square is x cube by 3. Okay, between the limit 0 to 2. 2 and 2 cancels. Upper limit 2 square is 4, lower limit is 0. Minus 1 by 3. Upper limit 2 cube is 8, lower limit is 0. So I get this is 12 minus 8 divided by 3. Okay, so that's equal to 4 by 3 square units. 4 by 3 square units. Answer will be equal to option A. Okay, yes guys. Let's move to the next question. Question number 14. The area bounded by x equal to 4 minus y square and y axis. I'm supposed to find the area. So first, if I simplify this graph, that is equation curve x is equal to 4 minus y square. If I shift to the left side, you get y square is equal to 4 minus x. Okay, I can write y square is equal to, take minus common, it will be x minus 4. Alright, now this is of the form y minus k the whole square. Y minus k the whole square is equal to minus 4a into x minus h. So it's a left parabola. Y square is equal to 4x is right, y square is equal to minus 4x is left parabola. So h comma k will be equal to 4 comma 0. So you get a left parabola. Okay, so you get a left parabola, and then this will be equal to 4 comma 0, and this fellow is 0 comma 0. Okay, now I am supposed to find out this area. This curve is y square is equal to 4 minus x. Okay, or you write x a function with this y square is equal to 4 minus x is equal to this is y axis, right? That's right. That's a vertex. It is cut at 0, 0. So area bounded by the curve and y-axis, right? If it is y-axis, then obviously x will be equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, you get 0 is equal to 4 minus y square. You get y square is equal to 4. Y square is equal to 4, you get y equal to plus minus 2. So this is 0, 2 and this is 0, minus 2. Okay, now I can write this as area is equal to integration of 0 to 2 times. Okay, it's a symmetric graph, guys. Just multiply, find out in the first quadrant and multiply by 2. So 0 to 2 times 0 to 2, and then you get function of y dy. So this would be equal to 0 to 2. Okay, so this function of y dy, 2 times integration of f of y dy. So this is equal to 2 times integration 0 to 2 function of y. This curve will be equal to x is equal to 4 minus y square. So it's a function of y, you get 4 minus y square and dy. So this will be equal to 8 times integration 0 to 2 dy minus 2 times integration 0 to 2. Okay, and then you get y square dy. Okay, now this is equal to 8 times integration of dy is y between the limit 0 to 2. And integration of y square is y cube by 3 between the limit 0 to 2. Okay, so this is equal to 8 times upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, and then minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3, upper limit 2 cube at 8, lower limit is 0. So you get 16 common, you get 1 minus 1 by 3. Okay, take 16, this is 16 times 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. So if I simplify, you get 32 by 3 square units. Isn't it, guys? That's the last option. Alright, let's move to the next question. No, Srinivas, recorded videos are there. Okay, please do watch the recorded videos and follow me on the Unacademy platform as well. You will get all the recorded videos. Okay, let's move to the next question, guys. Area bounded, area of the region y equal to 2x minus x square and x axis. Alright, I'm supposed to find what's the value of this. Okay, so you have actually y is equal to 2x minus x square. 2x minus x square. If it is x axis, if it cuts x axis, obviously y is equal to 0. So you will get this is 2x minus x square is equal to 0. Okay, take 2 common, you get x minus, take 2 x common. Right, if I take x common, you get this is 2 minus x is equal to 0. So you get x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. Right, obviously y is equal to 0, so point is 0, 0 and 2, 0. Right, now if I sketch the graph, it's a rough sketch, y equal to 2x minus x square. Y is equal to 2x, okay, minus x square. This can be written as x square minus 2x plus y is equal to 0. So this is x square minus 2x, okay, add 1, subtract 1 plus y is equal to 0. First 3 terms will be a perfect square, x minus 1 the whole square is equal to minus y plus 1. Okay, x minus 1 the whole square is equal to minus of y minus 1. Okay, this is of the form x minus s the whole square is equal to minus 4a into y minus k. You get a downward parabola. Isn't it, guys? So you get a downward parabola like this, and the point of intersection will pass through the origin, right? Find 0, 0 and 2, 0 is the point of intersection. So it pass through the origin. So this is on x-axis means this is 0, 0 and 2, 0. Okay, this area I am supposed to find out. So area is equal to integration 0 to 2. 0 to 2, you get 2x minus x square dx. So let me do the next. So integral 0 to area is equal to, okay, area is equal to integration 0 to 2, 0 to 2 and then function of x dx. So this is equal to 0 to 2. Okay, and what is the function of x dx? Function of x dx will be equal to 2x minus x square. 2x minus x square and then dx. Okay, now let us integrate, guys. So this is equal to 2 times integration 0 to 2, 0 to 2 x dx minus integral 0 to 2 and then you get x square dx. Okay, 2 is a constant, integration of x is x square by 2 between the limits 0 to 2. And integration of x square is x cube by 3 between the limits 0 to 2. This will cancel. Upper limit 2, that is 4, lower limit is 0, and upper limit 2 cube is 8, lower limit is 0. 12 minus 8 divided by 3, that's equal to 4 by 3 square units. Okay, that's the answer, guys. Answer 4 by 3. Answer 4 by 3 square units. Okay, now let's do one more question. Area bounded by the parabola y square is equal to area bounded by the parabola y square is equal to 4x and the line y is equal to mx plus c. Don't do this, okay? The direct shortcut is there. So area bounded by the parabola y square is equal to 4x and line y equal to mx plus c. Area is equal to 72a square by m cube. If you compare, you get 4a is equal to 4, right? So a is equal to 1. And if you compare y equal to mx plus c form, m will be equal to 2. Okay, so this is equal to 72a square into m cube, that is equal to 2 cube. You get 72 divided by 2 cube is 8. You will get 9 square units. Okay, that's the last option, D. So I'll stop here, guys. Please do subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notification of all my classes, guys. Okay, please do watch, like and share my video, guys. Okay, and then I'm going to continue with PYQs of applications of integrals session 3 on 14th of this month at 11:30 am. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. God bless you. Take care.